Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss previous year's question paper. This is going to be useful for the people who are preparing for CS mains or prelims, that is civil service. And I have asked for too many questions regards do questions get repeated in UPSC, what is the importance of previous year's question paper revisions and all. Solving previous year questions papers gives you the idea of your level of preparation. Self-assessment is a vital part of UPSC preparation. When you do mistakes, you learn from them. This helps you to in determining what strategy you should follow in continuing the preparations and identifying the strengths and weaknesses. So without wasting much time, let us get into today's topic, previous year question paper. And first we have to see the instructions, specific and instructions, that there are the 8 questions divided in 2 sections and printed both in Hindi and English. Candidate had to ask to attend at least 5 questions in all. Questions number 1 and 5 are compulsory, and out of the remaining 3 are to be attempted, choosing at least 1 questions from each sections. The number of marks carried by the questions part is indicated against end. Answer must be written in medium authorized in a admission certificate, which must be stated clearly on the cover of this questions come answers booklet. In the spaces provided, no marks will be given to answer written in a medium other than the authorized one. Word limit is questions wherever specified should be a third do. Illustrated your answers with suitable sketches, maps and diagrams wherever considered necessary. These shall be drawn in the spaces provided for answering the questions itself. Attempts of questions shall be counted in sequential order unless struck off, or attempts of a question shall be counted even if attempted partially. Any page or portions of the page left blank in the questions come answer blanket must be clearly struck off. Okay, questions we'll read out one by one and try to answer by yourself, and put it in the comment box your answers. That would help us to learn together for this preparations. Our first question is, write a geographical note on hollow and storm, and it is asked for 5 marks questions. And why is mapping important for analyzing geohydrological investigation, and explain with relevant examples. And so map is an essential part of UPSC IAS 2022 examinations. Owing to this reasons, the maximum questions in the exams are based on the history and geography of India, and the word studying maps and having complete knowledge of them is also helps in our learning and current affairs sections with ease. So this is of 150 words, and marine resources are economically very significant. Discuss citing suitable examples. Which factors influence the growth of wild plants in India? Discuss their economic significance, and discuss the problem associated with the living environment in millions plus cities in India. How can these be managed? Write an essay on evolution of continents and oceans using various theories and models. Discuss the concept of coral bleaching, its recovery, and macroalgal region shifts due to this process. Explain currents and North Atlantic oceans and their significant role in the climate of Western Europe. Explain how various factors influence the origin and development of Indian monsoon system, and explain the effects and causes of deforestation and its impact of the pattern of agriculture in India. Explain the characteristics features of frontogenesis and frontolysis. Discuss the problems of erosional surfaces, and explain the different methods and identify them with the suitable diagrams. These are the questions you're supposed to be answer 15 and 20 marks questions. And land use, lands covers and soil types influence forage quality and quality in semi-arid regions of the world, and discuss the relevant examples. Analyze India's food security in context of population population's growth. This is asked for 5 marks question, sections B, and it is for the 150 question words that you have to write. Identify the causes of affecting an energy crisis and suggest suitable measures to solve the problem. Distinguish between the mobility and migrations. What are the causes and consequences of rural to urban migration in India? Where economic growth is sustained over long time periods, it is incidence works towards progressive integrations of the space economy and elucidate. Write a note on the of Van and Tunen's agriculture's locations theory in the present context. And our next question is compare and contrast the Malthusians and non-Malthusians perspectives in the context of populations growth and resources use and environmental impact. Land degradation in threat to productivity and sustainable resources management. Explain with the suitable examples from India. And in the modern world, most of the frontiers has been replaced by boundaries. Explain the reasons. Discuss the concept of urban resilience in the context of playing for a suitable development with a reference of town and cities of India. Analyze the dynamics of industrial locations in the metropolitan cities in India. Write an essay on gender equality and equality in India in the context of balanced human development. Discuss how and why Mukhinder modified his context of pivot area after the world wars. Provide an account of world population transitions in this context of fertility declines and social economic development. And human ecology is the study of mutual relationship of people and their environment, both natural and social. Discuss in detail using ecological concept. So you do try to write your answers by yourself. If you find any difficult in writing any of this answers, please comment below. I'll try to give you exact answer for your UPSC preparation. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.